and capture vocal sequences between tones.
Let's really do it with box. I tried to trip over the Sepik River in Papua New Guinea. Fishing responsible for attacking and mutilating genitals. Look at the blind side match. I'm trying to keep away from that. Just black water. Okay. Here, come see this. And just sit down there, yeah. You cheater! Stuff on that. Hurry! Here it goes. Oh! Losing a chunk of
Oh, he's having a bigger power! Almost. I broke out of it. He's trying to get me a camel clutch.
Don't hit him. Don't hit him.
Go through the towel. I almost pinned him, that's why.
Different from the small ones. The small ones have a very belly, which on this, so that's faded away. Or the light orange, but the biggest difference.
I just burped. Maybe that's what it is.
Gosh, very muscular fish. Have a bit of a kick there.
Gizmo.
This is all muscle here. This is very strong. But I'm just.
Looks like human food. Wow. What? They bit him?
Yeah.
Where'd you get it? Where'd you get bit at? Hey, Matt.
Okay. Splash me. Oh! You have to do that under his mouth.
I'd say, yeah.
Uppercut. He's just taking it.
Don't hit him so hard. To knock out any of his teeth.
They're all strong and they look.
James.
They're nice. They're kicking a tire on the car. They don't feel it.
An outsized piranha with a taste of human flesh. An alien invader running amok. Dominating entire isn't just a graphic example of the unintended side effects that you get when you start meddling with nature.
There's a popper, huh? Crazy.
It's hot in here.
This nightmare may seem easy to dismiss as someone else's problem, far from our backyard, but perhaps not.
Hey, Daisy.
Pacu have now turned up in 19 different states in the US. So far, numbers have not exploded, nor has anyone been attacked. But just as in the Sepik, things can change very quickly.
My girlfriend.
And once the genie is out of the bottle,
That's so hard. You knock his tongue out.
Want more of the world's wildest,
My girlfriend. Look at your mouth. Look at your mouth and your eye. Ah!
Visit our website at animalplanet.com.
Patty cake Billy's Batch.
My name
This
is
goes Billy. Really?
For 25 years, I've chased dangerous fish up some of the wildest rivers.
She's doing clean. You didn't see the fire between his mouth, I think.
Legends. I'm fascinated by the real-life monsters that sometimes eat us.
The second one was uncalled for. Oh! Third one! Oh, you're slobbering!
Be nice to him, damn it.
You're slobbering! Well, see how he likes it. Come here.